Welcome to the early stages of BOLTR. That's BOLTR, a Rust implementation of bolts for protein prediction. These are the early predictions.
Yo, here's an update. I built this thing called BOLTR, which is Bolts 2 implementation in Rust. Yeah. It's a biomolecular structure and affinity related inference, all taken from the Bolts 2 and then made a Rust implementation, so using all of Rust. Let me tell you about it. So it's important, so I'm going to talk fast. So basically, I'm breaking down this input is the YAML file. So the YAML file, it processes, it does all pre-processing, the MSAs, the templates, and all the stuff you're doing like pipeline 2, right? It parses and does in features, right? So this is a bolt IO is the input, and it reads the YAML files, builds the structures, tokens, features, all the same way the model bolts expects, and then it collates them into batched tensors of the model. Now, so load the weights of bolts 2, and it's a bolts 2 checkpoint, it's loaded as safe tensors, that's how we do, but it uses TCH. So TCH is a Rust binding for C++ and PyTorch. What that does is, the embeddings, the templates, the pair former, and the fusion, and the sampling, and it gives you the heads like for confidence and affinity when you enable the flex. So the output you're looking for is, of course,
the 3D structure, proteins, 3D structure, function to form proteins, right?
And so depending on what you're wiring up or not. Anyway, this is, so you gotta remember all the cool things about Rust, which means it's like interlinear, memory safe, faster, usually. All that cool stuff, so config on the disk, right, on the bare metal, and then there's some GPU offloading, which is cool, which is different, and then it gives you the predictive structure and outputs, and that's how it works. It's called BOLTR. BOLTR, it's open source, it's on my GitHub, and boom.
Yo, it's no secret how BOLTR works. That's a Rust implementation of bolts for protein prediction, and nothing's a secret, so let me just explain it to you. First, there has to be some pre-processing, which means the BOLTR model is a prediction model. So to pre-process that, which means put it in the right format, get the right MSA or the multi-sequence alignment, templates and everything, and get the data prepped, right? I use the Bolts 1 model. That's how that works. Now for the training, like how does the BOLTR model conduct prediction? Well, it's a mirror, which means that it uses libtorch. Well, it actually uses TCHRS, which is a Rust binding for libtorch or C++ and Python. But anyway, all you have to care about is that it takes the Bolts 2 safe tensors, plugs them in, right? So the brain is from Bolts 2, right? For now. That's how the prediction, so we pre-process using Bolts 1, getting the data all ready via the YAML file. So a YAML file for pre-processing. 2, then it sends it to the BOLTR model or prediction model. And the BOLTR model has a brain, and that brain is the safe tensors from Bolts 2. So you just kind of have this Rust implementation, goes over everything, runs it faster, so no secrets. That's how it works. Now, the future state is I want the pre-processing to be in Rust native. I want the safe tensors to be exported from using a Rust library called BurnML, which is a machine learning library, and I want all of that to happen. But I'm on a timeline, and I got no money for this, you know what I'm saying? Peace.